Hey guys, in this video, I'll explain how you can import reviews from Aliexpress to your Shopify store, so let's jump into it. First, make sure you're on your Shopify dashboard. From here, click on Apps in the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Ali Reviews and hit Enter. You'll be taken to the Shopify App Store. You'll see multiple apps that help you import reviews, but for this tutorial, we'll go with the Ali Reviews app by Fire Apps. Click on it, and then hit Add App to install it. Once installed, you'll be prompted to choose a plan. For now, go with the basic plan. It's free and lets you import up to 30 reviews. You can upgrade later if needed. Now, inside the app, go to the Manage Reviews section. You'll see a list of your products. In this case, I have only one. On the right side of the product, click Import Reviews. Next, head over to Aliexpress. In the search bar, type in your product, for example, t-shirt. Choose a listing from the results, then copy the URL of that product. Back in the Ali Reviews app, paste the copied Aliexpress URL into the import field. You can also choose the number of reviews to import. Let's go with 10 for now. Then click Import. Give it a few seconds, and you'll see a confirmation once the reviews are successfully imported. Now, go back to your Shopify store and open the product page. Scroll down, and you'll see the reviews have been added with ratings, comments, and even photos, just like you see on Aliexpress. If you want to remove or manage any reviews, just head back into the app under Manage Reviews, and you'll be able to delete or edit them individually.